What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can reset the password of your Wells Fargo's online banking account. Now before I show you the way, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And let's move on with the video now, shall we? So the first step, search for Wells Fargo login and click on the first link over here. It'll bring you to this website. Over here, click on where it says sign on and it'll take you to its sign up page. Now once you're over here, scroll a bit down and click on where it says create a new password and it'll take you to the password reset page. Over here, enter your username and then enter your social security number and then click on continue and it'll take you to the password reset page. And once you're over there, you can enter a new password. So that's how you guys can reset the password of your Wells Fargo's online banking account. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and bye bye everybody.